Hey everybody, in this video I want to talk about perfectionism and why I have struggled with it over the last few months, not with my writing, but with my YouTube channel. But before we do that, my name is Michael Aran, for anyone who hasn't seen these videos before, and I make these videos with Author Level Up, and I make them because I believe that everyone has Stephen King level talent, and you just need help unlocking it. So if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click that bell for notifications for any future videos that I create. So you may have noticed, but I've been away for a little while from regular videos on YouTube. And I've been doing my regular writing power hours. If you followed my channel page, you will notice that on my community tab, I still continue to post every day on what I'm doing with my writing. So it's not like I fell off the face of the planet or anything like that. But I've just been struggling lately with how to move my YouTube channel forward. And I'm not struggling anymore though. And the reason is because I kept thinking in the back of my head, well, I'll restart my YouTube channel when ... I'll do this when ... And I realized over the last few weeks that it was perfectionism. Now, you all know, if you've watched my videos for a long time, that I talk all the time about how perfectionism is really a major problem in the writing space. Because if you're a perfectionist, it hampers your productivity, it hampers your mental state, and it stops you from getting things done that you could have otherwise gotten pushed out. And you guys know that with my books, I'm not a perfectionist. I get things done, I get them done quickly, I get them done right, and I get them out the door. But I realized that, perfectionism, you can still struggle with that in other areas of your life. And sometimes you kind of have to relearn lessons that you've learned elsewhere and apply them here. And I realized that what am I waiting for? I mean, it's as simple as turning on the camera and clicking record. So I'm back, and I will be making regular videos. And will I be a consistent 100% of the time? I guarantee you that I won't. But I will be back, and I'm looking forward to sharing some videos with you guys. But I wanted to take this video to just talk about a reminder to everyone that perfectionism is real. And if you are a perfectionist, if you've been working on a project and you've been saying, don't do this because ... or no, I'll do this when ... you're suffering from that. And I just like to remind people the same thing that I talk about with my books, is that if you don't publish that book, no one will ever be able to read it. If you don't finish editing your manuscript, you'll never be able to get it out to your editor. If you don't finish doing all the things that we know that we need to do, then you're not going to give yourself a chance to give your books a chance. Right? And so I just think it's important. And some things that I have done over the years to kick perfectionism to the curb, so to speak, is the first thing is I've always just been a big believer in taking action. So with this YouTube video, I did not plan this. I didn't do a script. I didn't do anything. I just turned on the camera and hit record. And taking those baby steps is the first important thing when you realize that you're dealing with perfectionism. So if you're stuck in the middle of a manuscript, what is the next thing that you need to do? And it could be the smallest thing in the world, like you need to go and research something on, rats. Research that, and then you can figure out how to write that next book. Well, you know what you need to do then. Go and research that book, and then set a timeline, set a deadline that on Saturday of this week, you're going to start. And that is the easiest way to get things moving. And when you get things moving, you'll find that you get momentum. And then once you've got that momentum, then you're really not as concerned with the perfectionism piece. Perfectionism is like being locked in a room with a cell, and you hear your voice on repeat, and you hear yourself saying the same things over and over again. And we just get stuck, and we listen to that over and over again when we don't realize that the cell door is not locked. It's actually been unlocked all this time. If you only had the courage to try the handle, you'd realize that you'd be able to get yourself out of that. So that's my message to all of you, is what are you currently struggling with? What are the things that are stopping you from finishing that book, finishing that chapter, getting something done on your website? It could be anything, All right? It's just your daily reminder to kick perfectionism to the curb. See you in the next video.
Perfect.